dinosaur made me sneeze. A rock cycle adventure. Written by Carla Mae Jensen. Stated by Natasha Kostowska. A sniff in my nose, a sniff, sniff, and a chew. And the dust and the wind and the air, they all blew. And my mom and my dad and my grandma McHook all pursed up their lips and they gave me a look. I knew it was loud and spit went too far. So before they could speak, I sang out like a star. I knew you don't like to see snot on your cheese, but an ancient old dinosaur made my big sneeze. Their eyebrows went up and they wanted to speak, but I started my story because it's unique. It was millions of years for you heard my big sneeze when a Tyrannosaurus was stomping through trees.
And the dust that he made was so light it could fly on a wind to a river that traveled nearby. Then it flowed to the ocean and sank to the land and was buried by sea and compacted by sand. While the dust was below that big oceany ground, new bits of bright crystals soon grew all around. The crystals and dust came together to be a cemented stone called sedimentary. I stopped for a breath and my dad had to say, "Now, Martin McHook, do not sneeze in that way." "But Dad," I said, "dinosaurs don't even know. He was just having fun in the sun long ago." What began as his dust was now rock buried deep, and the rock would soon change into something quite steep. The rock first felt shaking and earth made a change. A new set of mountains were building a range. The pressure and heat gave the dust quite a shock. It became metamorphic, a hard little rock. It was buried for years, but the wind worked each day to blow off the bits of the dirt and the clay. Then the rock with the dust was above ground once more, but changes were coming that shook the earth's core. The rock felt the shaking and heard the wind blow. Its mountain was really a big volcano. As the rock quickly melted and lava made steam, the dust was now stuck in a fiery hot stream. But the dust was not destroyed. It rolled with the change. As it cooled, a development came that was strange. The cooling had hardened the dust and the lava in blocks. Together, they made many igneous rocks. Now, when wind and some rain hit the rocks about right, little pieces break off and then blow out of sight. And only last week, this amazing small dust got blown off the rock by a very big gust.
It was blown on Dad's head by a strong little breeze. Then the fan made it land on my own mac and cheese.
Then I smelled my good food and I started to wheeze. The dinosaur's dust in my nose made me sneeze. "Well, Martin," said Dad with a serious look, but he stopped when a sound came from Grandma McHook. A funny sniff sniff and a crazy hot-chew, and the biggest wet sneeze ever seen flew and flew. I tried not to chuckle. I looked at the salt, but I laughed when she cried, "It's the dinosaur's fault."
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.